Hi friends, this is Bhagat Singh. Welcome back to channel BRILL Learnings. Today in this video I will cover previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2 which was conducted in the month of July 2024. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and watch this video till end. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. Let's get started. If x is the least number which must be added to 955 to make it a perfect square, then value of 3x plus 2 we need to find here. Okay. So first find the square values which is near to 955. So 30 square is 900 which is near to 955. Now calculate the value of 31 square. Okay, 31 into 31. 1 1s are 1 3s are 3 1s are 3 3 3s are 9. So 6 961. 961 which is very close to 955. Okay, so in this case if I add 6 to 955, I'll get 961. That means here x value is 6. Okay. Now we need to find 3x plus 2 value. Okay. 3 6 are plus 2. 18 plus 2 which gives us 20. First one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. How many natural numbers between 1 and 500 are divisible by each of the numbers 5, 3 and 7? First find the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, 3, 5 and 7. You can straight away multiply these values to get LCM because these numbers are prime numbers and they have no common factors among them. That is why. 7 5s are 35, 35 3s are 105. 105 is the LCM here. Okay. Now take the multiple of 105. So 105 is the first one and second one is 210. Third one is 315. Fourth number is 420. These are the four numbers. These are the only four numbers which are divisible by 3, 5, 7. That is why second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. M is a point on a side AB of a triangle ABC such that. First to draw a triangle here. A, B, C. Okay. Here, length of AB is equal to length of MB, which is also equal to length of AC. Okay. I have given like that. If the angles of A and B are given, x and 70 degrees respectively, then find the value of 3x plus 25. We need to find the value of this. Okay. So if you observe, we have two triangles here. And these two lengths are equal. That means the angle corresponding to those sides should be equal. Okay. Here also it should be 70 degrees only. Okay. If you observe this second triangle, this length and this length are equal. That means the angle corresponds to those sides should be equal. So the angle corresponds to this side is x. That means the angle corresponds to this side should be x degrees only. Now add angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. What is angle A? X degrees. Angle B is 70 degrees. Angle C is x plus 70. Okay. X plus 70. It should be equal to 180. So 2x plus 140 is equal to 180. X is equal to 3x equal to 40. X is equal to 20 degrees. We need to find 3x plus 25. That means 3 into 20 plus 25, which gives us 85 degrees. So second one is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. A sum invested at 10% per annum for 2 years becomes 3267 when interest is compounded annually. So I can write this 10% as 10% means per 100. That means 1 by 10. Okay. They have given for 2 years tenure only here. That is why I am taking 10 into 10. This denominator value I considered as principal amount. Okay. Principal amount. And this 1 is the interest. Okay. So I considered 10 as my principal amount. They have given 2 years means 10 into 10 I have taken. So for example, they have given 3 years means I have to multiply one more 10. Okay. So first take first year interest. If I calculate 10% of this 10 into 10 means 100. This 100, how much I will get? 10. So for the next year also 10% means 10 only. But for the first year I got this interest. So on this interest I have to take again 10% for the second year. So 10% of 10 means 1. Okay. So total I got 21 parts. 21 parts interest. This is my interest. And principal amount is 100. My principal is 100. Here they have given 3267 amounts. Sum invested 10% per annum for 2 years becomes 3267. That means that is amount. Okay. 3267 is not interest. 3267 is corresponds to this principal amount plus interest. Okay. This is principal and interest. Total is amount. This is equal to this much. Now you can find the value of principal easily. Now this 121 is equal to 3,267. What is the principal amount? 100 only. We need to find the value of this. Now cancel these values. 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 twos are 22. 11 twos are 22. 1 not 6. 11 nines are 99. 11 sevens are 11 ones are 11 twos are 11 sevens are. So this 1 becomes 27 means gets multiplied by 27. That means I have to multiply here also 27. So that I will get principal amount. This is my principal amount. Now what they are saying, we need to calculate what will be the simple interest. Now we need to calculate simple interest on the same sum, same rate, 2.5 years. They have given rate of interest is 10% only, but time period is they have given 2.5 years and rate of interest is 10% only. Same sum means 2,700 only. Okay, on this amount we need to find the rate of interest. In simple interest, interest will not vary for year to year. Okay, that is why I can directly multiply this 10% with 2.5 year time period, so that I will get total 25% of interest for 2.5 years. If I take this 25% from 2,700, that is our interest, that is our answer. So 2,700, 25%. Okay, these two zeros, these two zeros. If I multiply these two values, I'll get the answer. Okay. So 5 sevens are 30, right? 5 twos are 10, 13. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 5. So 5, 7, 6. 675 is our interest. Okay. Third one is the right answer. Let's move to the next one. D is a point on the side AB of a triangle ABC such that CD is a bisector of ACD, angle ACD. First, to draw a ABC triangle here. A, B, C triangle. CD is a point. CD is a point, is an angle bisector of ACD. 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 That means angle bisector of this portion. So whatever the angle is here, same angle is here also. So this is the point D here. Okay. If angle A is 50, they have given 50 as angle A and angle B as 70 degrees. We need to find the value here. Okay. ADC. ADC we need to find. Here we need to find the value. Now, what is the sum of all angles in a triangle? Is equal to 180. So 50 plus 70 plus, here we have 2x. So 2x is equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180 minus 120. X equal to 60 by 2, which gives us 30 degrees. Okay. Now we got the value of x, that is 30 here. Now if you see if you take this triangle 2, this is 1, this is 2. If you observe here, this is 30 and this is 50, angle A is 50 and the leftover angle is here also, the angle should be equal to 180. Out of this, first angle A is 50 and angle C is 30. If I deduct ET, I left with 100 degree, which is equal to angle D. Angle D. So 100 degrees is our answer. Let's move on to the next question. Marks obtained by some students of a class R. They have given marks of some students and the difference of mean and the range of the data is. We need to find mean and range here. First, calculate the mean. So let us assume mean is nothing but average only. Let us assume average as 30 here because all these numbers are near to 30. So here mean as I am assuming as 30 now. With respect to this 30 only, we need to note down the deviations here. So first 36 number is plus 6, which is 6 more than 30. So second one is plus 7, third one is plus 1, fourth one is plus 12, next one is minus 7, next one is next one is plus 8, next one is minus 13, second one is minus 12, plus 5, minus 5, minus 1, plus 5. Okay. So with respect to 30, I have noted down all deviations. Now cancel. Plus 7, minus 7. Here minus 12, plus 12. Plus 5, minus 5. Here. Okay. Now anything else? Now add up plus values and minus values. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Minus 13. And any value? Minus 1 plus 5. Plus 5 means 20 minus 14, which gives us 6. 6 by, there is a possibility of committing mistake here. Why? Because this 6 should be shared among these numbers, given numbers. First calculate the number of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12. There are total 12 numbers. So I have to share this 6 value for 12 numbers. I have to divide this 6 with 12. So that 0.5. It is positive value. So I have to add this 0.5 to this value. Then it will become mean as 30.5. Okay. Now calculate the range. What is range? Range is nothing but the difference of maximum and minimum value of the given data. So here the maximum value is 42 and the least value is 17. Okay. Take the difference of these two values. So range is difference between maximum, that is 42, and 17 here. Difference is 25. Here. Now we got the value of mean as well as range. Now take the difference of these two values. That is our question. So 30.5 minus 25 means 30.5 minus 25, which gives us 5.5. This is our answer. So third one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. A trader buys 12 fans for 24,000. 12 fans for 24,000. Each one is 2,000 because 24,000 by 12, which gives us 2,000. 2,000 is the cost price here. Cost price is 2,000. Now, he marks each fan at 25% above the cost price. Means market price, MRP, is 25% above. If I raise 25% on the cost price, what is the 10% of this 2,000? If I remove 200 is the 10%. Again 10%. 5% means 100. If I raise 500, then that will become my market price. 2,500 is my market price. Now, if he sells all fans by giving 10% discount on the market price, then his overall profit, they are asking about profit, not profit percentage. Okay. So, and he sells the profit, he sells the fans by giving 10% discount. Okay. 10% discount is allowing. Selling price, we need to find here. So, after allowing 10% discount on it, 10% discount on MRP. So what is the 10% of this 2,500? 250. If I deduct this value from this, I left with 2,250. This is my selling price. This is my cost price and this is my selling price. Okay. So I need to find the total profit. How many products are there? Total we have 12. And the difference between selling price and cost price is my profit of each unit. So 12 into 250, because 2250 minus 2000, which gives me 250. So 2500 and 500, because 2500 into 10 times 2500 and 2 times 500. So 3000 is overall profit. That means second one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. Minus b plus c whole square minus a minus b minus c whole square. So if you know the formula of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, which gives us 4ab. How it is? If I expand this expression, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. These two will be cancelled. So we left with 4ab. Okay, we need to recall this formula for solving this problem. Okay. Now what they have given, a minus b plus c whole square minus a minus b minus c whole square by they have given b minus a, right? B minus a. Now if you treat a minus b as a and c as b, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, right? So that is why I can write the upper numerator expression as 4ab, where a as 4 into, where a as a minus b and b as c here. Again we have b minus a in the denominator. So if you observe, here we have b minus a, here a minus b. That means if I take minus here, minus 4 b minus a into c by b minus a. So these two will be cancelled. So minus, I left with minus 4c. This is our answer here. I'll tell you another approach. Through substitution approach also we can solve this problem. Let's see how. So first substitute here. First substitute ABC value. A as 1, B as 2, C as 3. Okay. So if I substitute in this equation, a minus 1 minus 2 plus 3 whole square minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square by 2 minus 1. So here if you observe, 1 plus 4 minus 2, 2 square means 4 minus 5, 1 minus 4 means 16 only by 1, which gives us minus 12. Okay. So this is my value when I substitute ABC values in the first equation. This is given equation. Now substitute in the option wise. First one, what is the value of first option? I am checking now first option. B minus C means, so B value is 2. 2 minus 3 minus 1, wrong option. C minus A, C is 3. 3 minus, what is the value of A? 1. So 2 here. So this is also not correct. Minus 4C. Here minus 4 into C value is 3, which is minus 12. This is the right answer here. If you see, I got minus 12 here. I got minus 12 here. So which is equal to this value. Let's check the fourth option as well. 2 into C means 3, which gives us 6. This is also wrong. Like this you can solve these kind of questions. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Area of a right angle triangle is 240 centimeters square. Draw a right angle triangle here. So the area of this triangle is, I have given 240. Okay, if it's one side other than hypotenuse is 30 centimeter, one of the side other than hypotenuse is 30 centimeter, and the perimeter we need to find. Okay, so they have given 30 centimeter. So what is the formula for area half into base 30? Height we don't know, but they have given area, so which is equal to 240. From here we can calculate the value of h. 240 by 15. 3 5s are 3, is number which is 60. Now we need to find the address. Also x square equal to sum of other the squares of other two sides here. So x square is equal to 256 plus 900. So x square is equal to here 6, 5, 11, 1156. X equal to under root of 1156, which is equal to 34 square, I think. Let's check. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 10, 10, 6, 5, 1, 1. So 34 square is the, here 34 is the x value. Hypotenuse is 34. Now find the perimeter. Add up all these three values, 34, 30 and 60. 0, 3, 3, 6, 80. 80 is the perimeter here. So first one is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. The ratio of two numbers 3 is to 7 and their LCM is 630. So let us assume those two numbers are 3x and 7x. Now take the LCM of these two numbers. X is common here, 3 and 7. Now take the product of these three numbers which gives us the LCM. So 21x which is equal to 630. So here x is the common value, common factor, common value, that is nothing but highest common factor. So 630 by 21 which gives us 30. This is our HCF because this is the value common in both numbers. That is why this is our HCF. HCF is 30 here. And what is LCM they have given? 630. Sum of these two numbers they are asking about 660 is our answer. The final one is the right answer. With this, I have finished previous maths questions related to CTET Paper 2, which was conducted in the month of July 2024. If you have any queries in this paper, you may post in the comment section. I will reply your comments for sure. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.